Ramakrishna College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. In this video, we are going to discuss about inflation and deflation. You may think that why we want to know this inflation and deflation, what is the necessity of knowing this inflation and deflation. In this after pandemic situation, especially in our country, we should know, everyone should know about inflation, what is inflation and how it reacts and which one is better, deflation or inflation. Many people will think that deflation will be better. So now we are going to discuss a exact uh, concept about inflation and deflation. First, I would like to speak about inflation. Inflation, in the sense, it is like increasing. It is from the word itself, we know that it is increasing. What increasing? Exactly, the prices are increasing. What we use day to day life, we use different products, different brands. That different brands and products prices are getting increasing. That is called inflation. So that is, it is higher than last time what we purchased. Inflation is a common phenomenon in a modern times. This word is a nearly, it has taken from the economics, and it is a mostly will be used in the field of economics. So inflation, it is a situation increasing the price but decrease the value of the currency. Not only inflation is increasing the price, many people are thinking that if the price is getting higher, it is called inflation. Not only that, also decreasing the value of the currency. Each and every country has their own currency value. So the currency value gets decreasing every year. That leads to inflation. For example, a products last year I purchased any one of the brands for dollar of 100, but this year when I am getting, surprisingly it is increased by dollar amount 110. So that is, it has increased. $10 have increased when I compare with last year. That is, production also it goes down because of increase of prices. What happens? The production also getting down. There another one thing, because of increase of product price, people are suffer to save the money. It is very difficult, and it is very problematic one to save money for the citizens. Weak, already it is very weak, and it cannot be protect themselves. We cannot protect if they keep on, the prices are increasing day by day what we purchase. In the sense, definitely it is very difficult to protect ourselves. Then it affects the middle class and the lower class of people. But what happens, in the sense, it poor people will be more it will be affected, and rich people will be richer. That is, poor makes poor, rich makes richer. So that is the concept of inflation. How richer gets richer people are getting rich in this, and because they have a sufficient surplus of amount, so this price increase will not affect them. Then automatically they will purchase the products, and they will lead their life luxurious thing as usual what they have. So, and then another one thing, they are ready to invest in various situation. So again, if because the prices are day by day increasing, then automatically they will be starting investing on these products. So rich people getting richer. The next one, it leads increase in inequality in the society. People will not be equal wealthy and equal money sourced thing. So it is inequality will be there, because, and richer will be more richer and poor will be more poorer. Gold investors are very much safer in the time of in the duration of inflation, because they have purchased in the very minimum price, but they'll sell the price in a higher price during inflation. So gold investors are safe. The next one, it increase rapid inflation in risky in a stock markets. So when I want to give money and in the stock markets, inflation time is not a perfect. What are the factors will be affecting the demand when we have the inflation? In the sense, the first one, increase in money supply. That money supply will be more. And another one thing, public expenditure also will be very much higher. That is the another one thing. Then third one, increase in consumer spending. Rich people are will be getting more richer. Then another thing, consumers getting higher spending amount. Cheap monetary policy, the monetary policy, the deficit financing, everything will be the financing will be very much deficit. The expansion of the private sector, the private sectors will be more, they are expanding money. The black money also will be there. That is the another one thing. The prices are getting increased, then automatically the black money will be more. The repayment of public debt, so the repayment of public debts will be very minimum, because people are not ready and people could not pay their EMI or something. Then increase in exports, so then rich people automatically they will export, they will increase their inflation. In the sense, it's just opposite to the inflation. That this is prices are decreasing, that is called deflation. The prices are decreasing, in the sense some people will think that the price is getting decreased, that is good, but not that one. Everything is, there is a limit. Deflation is just exact opposite of inflation. It is the prices are getting decreasing, that corresponding decreasing employment and total output and everything will be affected. Bad economy level will be there, just as inflation. Like inflation in deflation also, bad economy will be there. Why? Because the manufacturer do not, prices are rising, they are not, they could not rise the price, then automatically the cost will be higher than the price. If the cost of the product is higher than the price, automatically the producers, the manufacturers will be affected. If they are affected, in the sense, automatically unemployment will be created. If the unemployment is there, then automatically the people will be more for jobless, then economy level of the country will be very difficult one to survive. This economy level will be shrink when the prices are coming down, and people will feel very hard to. So because of this problem, they will be, unemployment will be more. Deflation will be seriously affect the income level. That another, that the income of the employees will be reduced. The general advisably, so the marginal efficiency of capital, what they have invested for as a margin, so that amount they could not get back it. Then inflation considered is more evil. Even inflation will be better when we compare with deflation. So inflation will be better than. Now we'll have a difference between what is inflation and what is deflation. Inflation is increasing the price, deflation is decreasing the price. Inflation does not lead to national income. It will not lead to lower of national income, but deflation will be lead to lower of national income. Unemployment will not be affected in inflation, but deflation, unemployment will be affected. Then monetary policy and everything will be possible when it goes in a inflation of the country, but deflation otherwise the monetary policy will be more problematic one. Mild inflation is a good for the leading of the country in a good economic development position, but deflation is very difficult to overcome. It is very difficult to come get back to the routine life. So my dear viewers, so in this video, I have given what is inflation and deflation, what are the factors will be affected, how inflation and deflation having the differences. So I hope this video have helped you to know about inflation and deflation. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you in next video.